Today, our discussion will revolve around a fascinating intersection of modern technology, data visualization, and geographic information systems, building dashboards using ArcGIS Online. This session will focus on how this platform enhances the communication of insights derived from spatial data through clear and compelling visual presentations. ArcGIS Online Dashboards are a powerful tool for translating complex spatial data into a visual format that is easy to understand. These dashboards transform raw datasets into narratives that can easily guide the viewer through intricate information. We aim to offer a comprehensive guide on using these tools to present detailed geographic data through well-organized, intuitive visuals. One of the most appealing aspects of ArcGIS Online Dashboards is their accessibility. You do not need extensive technical skills to create impactful presentations. The platform offers a variety of templates and customizable widgets, simplifying the process of integrating maps, graphs, and charts into your dashboard. These visual elements help you organize your data in a way that directs the viewer's attention, fostering a natural flow that makes complex information more digestible. Another critical feature of ArcGIS Online Dashboards is their flexibility. They are designed to be responsive across various devices, allowing your audience to interact with the data in a format that best suits their preferences. This flexibility enhances the overall accessibility of your presentations, ensuring that the data remains clear regardless of the device being used. Dashboards elevate the presentation of spatial data by making it more accessible and easier to interpret. When dealing with large or complicated datasets, the ability to break information down into more manageable pieces is invaluable. Dashboards simplify this process by providing clear visual representations that reduce the audience's cognitive load. Why are dashboards a valuable tool? Dashboards serve a dual purpose. They display data and assist in interpretation. ArcGIS Online Dashboards take large, complex datasets and distill them into visual forms that are much easier to understand. Their interactive nature allows users to explore the data more deeply, fostering a deeper engagement with the material. These tools save time by automatically updating as new data becomes available, letting you focus on analysis rather than routine maintenance tasks. Thanks to its user-friendly interface, creating a dashboard with ArcGIS Online is straightforward. Even those without a technical background can quickly learn to integrate components such as charts highlighting trends and text boxes providing necessary context. This ease of use allows you to create clear, coherent narratives that help your audience follow along easily. A significant advantage of ArcGIS Online is its ability to integrate various data types from multiple sources such as spreadsheets and web services. This versatility deepens the scope of your dashboards by allowing you to combine data streams into a cohesive presentation that provides a more comprehensive view of the information. Sharing your dashboard is where its full potential is realized. ArcGIS Online enables you to publish dashboards on the platform or external sites such as blogs or web pages. This expands the reach of your data presentation, allowing you to share valuable insights with a broader audience. Dashboards operate around three primary functions: presenting data, encouraging interaction, and spreading knowledge. By doing so, they convert raw data into valuable insights, prompting deeper understanding and greater engagement with the information. The ultimate aim is to foster informed choices and meaningful actions driven by clear and actionable data. Thank you for your attention today. I encourage everyone to stay curious and engaged as we continue learning. Until next time.